Namaste students. Today we are going to take one of the most important topic of English grammar. Yes, it is my name, your name or any other thing which is there on this earth has got a certain identification, and that identification is in the form of name which is given to it, and that is called noun. Yes, noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, material, everything which is existing on this earth. Or in short, we can say that naming words are called noun. Let's take for example, my name, Indu. Indu, noun. I am a woman, woman, a noun. I am a teacher, teacher, a noun. I live in a big house. House, noun. I live in a big city. City, noun. I have a pet dog. Dog, noun. Everything which is living or non living is being given a certain name, and that name is called noun. Let's study about different kinds of noun. Yes, there are five kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. We are going to study every noun in a deep way. Common noun, name of every person, place, thing, or animal. As I told you, I am a woman. Woman can be any woman on this earth. I have a dog. Dog can be any dog on this earth. Now, let's take some of the examples. Children play in the ground. This children is the common noun. A girl is making a noise. The girl is the common noun. It can be any girl. There are many buildings in Lahore. Buildings can be any building, and it is common thing. Now let's take on to proper noun. Yes, name of particular person, place, thing or animal is called proper noun. Rohit Kumar was a brave soldier. This Rohit Kumar is the name given to the soldier. So it is called proper noun. Next, India is our homeland. The country, there are many countries, but we love our country. That is India. India is the proper noun. One very important thing, students, I want to tell you. There is a difference between proper noun and common noun. The difference is when we are having, suppose, I have a cat. Cat is a common noun. The name of my cat is Pussy. Pussy is the proper noun. Why? Because I have given a certain name to my cat, and that word denotes that it is a proper noun. A proper noun, students, is always written in capital letter. Whenever we write our name, we always start with a capital letter. So we have to remember this thing, that a proper noun is always starting with a capital letter. Let's move on to collective noun. Yes, collective noun, name of group or collection of person or things counted as one is called collective noun. For example, a class of students. Students is the common noun and class is the collective noun. This is our class. This class is the collective noun. I will join the Indian Army. Army is the collective noun. They are a good company. Company is a collective noun. Students, a flock of sheep is grazing in the ground. Yes. Flock. What is the flock? Flock is a group of sheep. So these all are called collective noun. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a quality or an idea that which we cannot see, hear, smell, taste, or touch. That which can we only feel or think about. Abstract means which cannot be seen or we cannot hear it, but we can only feel it and think about it. For example, have patience. Patience. With courage, we can win. Courage. I shall act upon this advice. Advice. We cannot see the advice. Freedom is a great blessing. Freedom. These all things, patience, courage, advice, freedom, happiness, these all are the things which we cannot see, taste, touch, and smell. We can only feel these things. So, abstract noun are the nouns which can only be felt and thought about. Now, one more noun, that is material noun. Material noun is the name of a material or a substance from which things are made. And we can see, hear, smell, touch, and taste them. For example, she is kneading flour. Flour is the material noun. Iron is a hard metal. Iron is the material noun. The ring is made of gold. Gold is the material noun. The chair is made of wood. Wood is the material noun. So we can say that there are 5 kinds of noun. Everything which is given a name is noun. And common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Naming words are called noun, and proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Hope you have understood each and everything quite well and try to recall it by doing some of the interesting exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.